Hey everyone, it's David at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here at Orlando Speed World for Formula Drift, and there's a lot of drifting action. Vendors, we're going to actually walking over to the hot pits, check out some of the drivers, some of the setups and suspension they're running, and maybe see if we can meet with them and talk to some of them. So let's go check it out. Check it out, I'm here at the Nexen Tire Tent as there's this beautiful S13 that's actually running my fittings. Check this out. So it's got Finish Line Factory fittings on the intake system. Looks like he might be using it for his catch can or something, or possibly his, oh, you know what, he's running that for his idle control valve. And let's see, there's a Finish Line Factory fittings over here for the catch can, running back there and over there. Good stuff. Oh, look at this. Umbrella hood prop.
No,
See.
it wasn't really my fault.
Nice turbo. Looks like this is a 2JZ. It's got the Haltic ignition system.
There you go. Come around the entry and you just pin it, you run this all the way along, it flicks hard in this, and then it's kind of like the...
What's going on here? What is this thing?
You come along the wall.
It looks like it's attached to the coolant pipe.
So he comes, and there's a 45-degree
Sure what this is supposed to do.
this way.
Let me ask.
Closed ground.
Hey dude,
He comes in, throws it in,
what's this thing do?
bam, hits the wall, and I'm already setting.
It's a purple thing.
I'm coming full
No idea?
balls out. And I'm set in already. Right here.
I gotta find out. Hey dude, what's that do?
What does that do?
Yeah, what does that do?
That is a great question for one of these guys.
Hey dude, what does that do?
Yeah, so that looks like probably a relief of some sort. I'm guessing the.
I have no
the
idea.
blow-off, and then it puts it back in.
You know what? There's a no. That's not a blow-off valve because it's hooked up to the radiator, I think, or is it?
No, that's the intercooler. Radiator's
Oh wait,
in the back.
oh that's right. So this is not the radiator. Is this? What the hell?
I'm guessing that. Yeah, let's catch up.
Oh wait, this connects to the something over here. This runs on this pipe into the intake. This is a recirculation valve, I think. Yeah. Interesting. That's pretty cool. I've never seen something like this before. Let's see what's going on here.
Hi. We
Hello.
have things.
You have things.
For UTI.
I have things.
What's going on here? Finish Line Factory?
Yeah, we do fittings and hoses.
Oh yeah.
And a YouTube vlog. So I'm basically just a loser with a camera that walks around and films people. Oh, they're all aluminum, 6061, good stuff. I use it on my race car. I have a fully built K S14 with a 306 transmission.
So where do you guys manufacture?
We have them at different manufacturers, so some are domestic, some are overseas. But everything we have is tested, good stuff. It's fun.
Similar to like a race style or push lock or what?
Yeah, we've got push lock, we got swivel, we have PTFE, adapters, AN, NPT, O-ring boss, barb, weld bungs, stuff like that.
Where do you find your stuff?
FinishLineFactory.com. You know, I think we have about 100 dealers around the world, so, you know, but if you wanted something, you could either go to the local dealer, which we have stocking, we have a list on the website, or you can go on FinishLineFactory.com. Cool. What's your name? This is Justin Pollock. I have a poster of one of your cars. I think your S14 on my wall. No? Your Mustang.
Mustang?
Your Mustang. Do you have a Mustang?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I have a picture of your Mustang on my wall. It's pretty cool. You know, I've had it for a few years. Actually, you know what? You signed one of my lenses in 2011.
I kind of remember that.
You remember that? You know what happened? That lens got stolen. Yeah. So there's a Canon 75 to 300 millimeter lens with your signature. It says JP. You know, and 7 other drifters from 2011 somewhere out there. So I will track him down, find him, and kill him. You know, the perpetrator. So thanks, Justin. Catch you later. Here's Alex Honadel. Is his first name Alex?
I think Alec.
No? Alec. It's like the same thing, isn't it?
Basically.
Yeah. Anyway. All right, so here's Alec Honadel and his supercharged LS-powered S14 drift car. See, it looks like it's a Zenki, wide body, all kinds of cool stuff. Look at those tires, just destroyed. Zoom in on that. Yeah. Get the focus. There we go. Just look at this thing. Look at the size of the supercharger. Looks like it's a Magnuson supercharger. Hey, check out this guy. Hello, sir. What's your name? Huh? Uh-oh. Does that come off?
Should.
We'll figure it out. Very nice. So what do we have here? This is a E92 M3. Is that a...
Just E92 chassis, nothing to do with M3.
Okay, so it's basically a factory chassis?
It's factory chassis, fully custom built, V8 with the sequential
There you go.
transmission.
Nice.
Pretty
And
neat build.
what engine are you running?
It's a Massimo Sport Dart 428,
Okay.
so it's custom built V8, naturally aspirated still.
Good, good.
Making 9,000 RPM, 900 horsepower.
900 horsepower. And it's naturally aspirated. I don't see any turbos or anything. So you're one of the few NA guys out here. Cool. Very nice. I see. What suspension are you running?
What's that?
Wisefab suspension?
What's suspension?
And-
Nitron dampers.
Okay. Cool. Good stuff, man. Catch you later. Oh, check this out. Here is the Ferrari 599 drift car. So as you may know, last event they had a little fire, but the car is back and running again. And check this out. It's twin supercharged. Looks like it. Yeah. So there's 2 centrifugal superchargers, and both pulling air from just next to the throttle body. Look at this thing. This is nuts. So both superchargers blow into this intercooler right here, and then so it's a 1 into 2 intercooler, kind of splits off and goes into each throttle body. So I'm gonna ask him how much power this makes. Just coming over here, you see the catch cans. Look at this thing. It's a freaking supercharged Ferrari. I'll say this is perhaps an oil cooler or a radiator or something. Probably the radiator. A little difficult to tell. Look at this thing. Let's see if we can take a look at the inside. Look at this. Carbon fiber bits everywhere. Look at that. Let's go to the air vent, so maybe it has AC, I don't know. Should have come a little earlier, maybe he'll give me a ride. Look at that. Dual Ferrari calipers in the rear. Up front. Probably a big 8-piston or something crazy. Look at that. On-nosy wheels. Very unique car. You usually don't see Ferraris as drift cars, but looks like he made it out just fine. Check this out. The fender here widened to add additional space for the moving around, especially in the drifting, as well as these strakes here to direct the air and relieve high pressure air. There's an vent here, I'm not sure what they would be using that for, possibly for the radiator, as well as a carbon fiber side splitter. Right there. So the deal with these cars is that, you know, everything has to be custom, one-off, handmade for the car, as opposed to, you know, most S14s or BMWs or Fords where there's already parts readily made for the car that you can just bolt on. So who knows how much it costs to build this car. All right, check this out. This is Ryan Kaufman's S13. I think it's powered by a American V8 with a huge filter. I mean, look at this. Filter's as big as the engine. And it's actually lined with like carbon fiber and stuff. Look at that. All right, guys, so that's enough with checking out vendors and cars and talking with the crew. So round one of competition is about to start. So I'm going to try to find a good spot to get some good videos and pictures for you guys. So it'll be round of 32, round of 16, 8, 4, 2, and then the final winner. So let's go find a good spot.